Ladies and gentlemen, welcome your faces back to the Blockchain Lounge, where today we're going to be talking about Cake or Pancakeswap. Now, what is Pancakeswap? First of all, a brief introduction. It's basically what Uniswap is on the Ethereum platform, except it's on the Binance Smart Chain network. So basically, it allows, it's a DeFi protocol, decentralized finance, and it allows for liquidity pools and exchanging tokens for other tokens directly through the platform without the need for a middleman. So basically, you put your coins in the platform and somebody else, when they want to exchange, for example, Binance coin for some other coin that you put on the platform, they can do it very, very simply without the need for a middleman. So it goes like directly peer-to-peer from you to the person who wants to buy it. So that's the genius thing about cryptocurrencies these days, and it's one of those projects. Now let's look into the technicals very quickly. Very, very weird looking chart, very nice growth. We're going to go into the normal chart actually. So we can see a huge spike, and then pretty much we're just following this trend line at this point. Very strong level of support around the $10 or $11 mark, and just simply we've been bullish but not too bullish recently. So you can see how the candles don't really carry too much volume with them, and it's not yet a definitive restart of the bull cycle, right? So I do see a zone that could act as a zone of support in the future. So obviously everything's a little bit more visible once you move on to a lower time frame. So right here we can see a zone that did act as a zone of resistance in the past. So we see the price not being able to breach it multiple times, but currently we saw a break and then a retest from the bottom side, and then we're moving still more bullish. Now something nice that's been forming is an uptrend line, and hopefully we don't break down below it, because if we do break down below it, we may see a movement into this zone, or potentially even breaking this zone and hitting the trend line once again before reversing and going upwards. Now in the other case, if we start moving more bullish, the next zone of resistance that we will find is this area right here around the 20 something dollar mark. So keep an eye out for that area, because at every significant zone of resistance, of support, of anything, you're bound to see a movement, a retracement, a bounce, because every single trader out there actually sees these zones and will react to them. So once the price actually reaches it, the market reacts to it by selling sell orders, or potentially people even buying, anticipating the zone to be broken out of. Those are the people that create liquidity, and basically that's how the market works. So generally very bullish on Cake, but currently keep an eye out for these two zones. It's very likely that we do continue consolidating within this area. Now, thank you for joining in for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Show me some love, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Ask me any question you want down below in the comments, and I'll definitely respond. So thank you all for joining in for another video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Ciao.